Hello students, welcome to my class. Myself Jyoti Kiran, Assistant Professor, Government First Grade College, Tiptur. Today I am going to discuss on radius of curvature. Already in the previous class we discussed on parametric form and pedal equations. In today class we discuss on the problems related to problems on radius of curvature. Let us see the example 1. Show that the radius of curvature at any point t on the cycloid x is equal to a into t minus sin t and y is equal to a 1 minus cos t is minus 4a sin t by 2. This is the problem. We have to show that the radius of curvature rho is equal to minus 4a sin t by 2. These two are the parametric equations in terms of t is there. Okay, let us move on to the solution part. Here the x is equal to a into t minus sin t and x prime or we call it as first order derivative or it is called as x dash, which is equal to a. Here a is the constant, t is 1 minus sin t. Sin t derivative is cos t and x double dash is equal to, again differentiate, second order differentiation, a will remain the constant, 1 0 minus cos t becomes sin t. So this is x dash and x double dash. Okay, then we move on to one more parametric equation, y is equal to a 1 minus cos t. Then y dash, y prime. A is the constant, 1 is constant, derivative of constant is 0 minus cos t is sin t. Then differentiate again this function, y double dash is equal to a, again sin t derivative is cos t. The formula for rho in the parametric form. So it's a parametric equation. For that reason here we have to take the parametric form, radius of curvature in parametric form. Rho is equal to x dash square plus y dash square to the power of 3 by 2 is all divided by x dash y double dash minus y dash x double dash, which is equal to x dash square. What is x dash? X dash is a into 1 minus cos t is there. That is x dash square is a square 1 minus cos t whole square plus y dash square. Y dash is a sin t, square is a square sin square t to the power of 3 by 2 is all divided by x dash is a 1 minus cos t into y double dash, here a cos t minus y dash. What is y dash here? A sin t into x double dash, here a sin t. Okay, simplify this, we get the required answer. A square, then 1 minus cos t whole square is there. Expand by using the formula a minus b whole square, that is 1 minus 2 cos t plus cos square t plus sin square t to the power of 3 by 2 is all divided by, here a and a is there, a square, again here a and a is there, a square, take a square outside the bracket, then multiply by cos t. Here one time is there cos t minus cos t cos square t, again here sin t sin square t. Then again here in the next equation we have to move on the next equation, a square to the power of 3 by 2, here 2 and 2 cancel, we get a cube. Then 1 minus cos t plus cos square t plus sin square t. It is a basic identity, trigonometric identity. Its value is 1. Okay, to the power of 3 by 2. In the denominator a square we have to write same. Then cos t, take it as negative sign common. Then we get again once again we get cos square t plus sin square t. Its answer is 1. Okay, next in the next step, a cube is there. The here a cube by a square is there. Simplify, we get a 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 2 cos t divided by, take the negative sign common in the denominator, it will become 1 minus cos t. So numerator and denominator is 1 minus cos t, 1 minus cos t, but to the power of 3 by 2 is there. Then minus a to 1 minus cos t, we know the formula 2 sin square t by 2 to the power of 3 by 2. Again in the denominator same formula, 1 minus cos t is 2 sin square t by 2. Then simplify this, apply the power 3 by 2 to each term. We get minus a 2 cube sin cube, 2 get cancelled, remain cube only. A 2 cube sin cube t by 2, in the denominator 2 sin cube t by 2. Then one time get cancelled, then remaining is minus a square is minus a 2 cube is there, minus a 2 cube is there, but in denominator 2 is get cancelled, we get 4 sin t by 2. This is the required result. Therefore rho is equal to minus 4a sin t by 2. Okay, let us move on the example 2. Find the radius of curvature of the curve rho square is equal to a r cube. Here we have to find the radius of curvature. Okay, so rho square is equal to a r cube is there, then we have to take rho only. For rho we have to take square root on both sides, then we get rho is equal to a power of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 that comes up for square root, take square root on both sides, then r to the power of 3 by 2. Okay, differentiate this function with respect to x. We get d rho by dr, which is equal to a to the power of 1 by 2 is the constant, 3 by 2 r to the power of 3 by 2 minus 1 becomes plus 1 by 2. It is 3 by 2 a to the power of 1 by 2 r to the power of 1 by 2. So then move on to the formula for pedal equation is rho is equal to r dr by dp. Already we find out dr by dp, already we have the answer for dr by dp. Then rho is equal to r into, here dr by dp is there, but we find out dp by dr, take its reciprocal and simplify. We get 2 by 3 r by a to the power of 1 by 2. Then rho is equal to 2 by 3 to the power of 1 by 2, we can write that is nothing but square root of r by a, is the required radius of curvature. Okay, we move on to the example 3. Find the radius of curvature of the curve r square is equal to a square sin 2 theta. So here also we find out the radius of curvature rho. For that, given equation is r square is equal to a square sin 2 theta. Differentiating with respect to x, we get, so r square differentiation is 2r dr by d theta, which is equal to differentiate with respect to theta. Here r is a function of theta is there, 2a square, a square is constant, sin 2 theta is 2 cos 2 theta. Then r dr by d theta is equal to cancel 2 on both sides, a square cos 2 theta. Dividing equation 1 and 2, we get r square is divided by r dr by d theta, which is equal to, here a square cancel, sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta tan 2 theta. Then on simplification we get a one r term get cancel, r dr by d theta, it comes to numerator, d theta by dr is equal to tan 2 theta. Here dr by r into d theta by dr, we know that it is tan psi, which is equal to tan 2 theta. So then cancel tan on both sides, we get the angle psi is equal to 2 theta. We have the relation p is equal to r sin psi. P is equal to r sin, what is psi here? Psi is 2 theta. P is equal to r sin 2 theta, which is equal to r. What is sin 2 theta? From the equation we can take it as sin 2 theta is r square by a square. Okay, simplify this, we get rho is equal to r cube by a cube. Differentiating with respect to r, we get dp by dr is equal to 1 by a square constant. R cube differentiation is 3r square. The formula for pedal equation is rho is equal to r into dr by dp, but we find out dp by dr. Therefore rho is equal to r. We have to write it as a square by 3r square. This is reciprocal. Okay na? Because it is dp by dr and it is dr by dp. We have to take the reciprocal, a square by 3r square. Therefore rho is equal to a square by 3r, 1r term get cancelled. So is the required result. Okay, next we move on to the example 4. Show that the radius of curvature of the curve r square is equal to a square cos 2 theta is a square by 3r. a square by 3r. Okay, we can move on to solution part. In the solution part, given the equation is, curve equation is r square is equal to a square cos 2 theta. Differentiating with respect to theta, r is a function of theta is there. Then differentiation is 2r dr by d theta is minus 2a square sin 2 theta. Derivative of cos 2 theta is minus sin 2 theta into 2. We get the same. Then here 2 get cancelled. We get r dr by d theta is minus a square sin 2 theta. Call it as equation 2. Then divide equation 1 by 2. We get r square by r dr by d theta is equal to a square cos 2 theta by minus a square sin 2 theta. Here a square cancel, minus of cos by sin. We get cot with the angle 2 theta. Then we can write this expression is tan psi r into tan psi, which is equal to minus cot 2 theta. Then tan psi is equal to tan of 90 plus 2 theta, allied angle. We can apply the allied angle. Tan of 90 plus 2 theta becomes minus cot 2 theta. Then what about psi is equal to 90 plus 2 theta. So we have the formula. P rho is equal to r sin psi. Rho is equal to r sin, what is psi here? 90 plus 2 theta. Then rho is equal to r sin of 90 plus 2 theta become cos 2 theta. Next quadrant, sin changes to its co-ratios cos 2 theta. But in the given equation, a square cos 2 theta is equal to r square. This is from equation 1. A square cos 2 theta is equal to r square. Cos 2 theta is r square by a square. Then rho is equal to r cos r square by a square, r cube by a square is the required pedal equation. Again differentiate with respect to r. We have to deduce the result. Dp by dr is 1 by a square. Derivative of r cube is 3r square in the pedal form. Then rho is equal to r dr by dp. Rho is equal to dr by dp. Take it as the reciprocal, a square by 3r square, which is equal to a square by 3r. One term r get cancelled. It is 3r. That is the end of the problem. Okay, next we move on to example number 5. In the example number 5, for the chordioid equation, r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. This is the equation of a chordioid. Show that rho square by r is a constant. Okay, let us move on to the solution part. Here r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Then dr by d theta is differentiation of a chordioid equation is minus a sin theta. Then tan psi is equal to r d theta by dr. R, what is r here? A into 1 plus cos theta into d theta by dr is there, but here dr by d theta, it will comes to denominator minus a sin theta. On simplifying this, here a get cancelled. 1 plus cos theta formula is 2 cos square theta by 2, and sin theta. Sin theta can be expressed as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Then on simplification, 2 get cancelled, 1 cos theta term get cancelled, remaining is cos by sin. Cos by sin is nothing but cot, minus cot theta by 2. Tan psi is equal to tan 90 plus theta by 2. 90 plus theta by 2 becomes minus cot. Okay, so then angle psi is equal to 90 plus theta by 2. Again we move on to the formula. P is equal to r sin psi. P is equal to r sin, what is the angle? We get the angle 90 plus theta by 2. Then the chordioid equation is r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. This can be modified into as a r by a is equal to 1 plus cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta by 2. Then cos theta by 2 is square root of r by 2m. Then rho is equal to r cos theta by 2. R, what is cos theta by 2? It can be represented as root of r by 2a. Then rho is equal to r to the power of r is 1 time r is there, and square root, that is 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 becomes 3 by 2. In the denominator we get root 2a is the pedal equation. So we get the pedal equation. Differentiate with respect to r, we get dp by dr is 1 by root 2a constant. Then r to the power of 3 by 2 differentiation is 3 by 2 r to the power of 1 by 2. Then dr by dp is 2 root 2a 3 to the power of 3 r to the power of 1 by 2. Then rho is equal to r dr by dp. R is r into 2 by 3 into root of 2a by r to the power of 1 by 2. Then 2 by 3 is constant. Then a simplification we get, here r is there, here r to the power of 1 by 2. On numerator it will get 1 by 2 root 2a. Therefore rho is equal to 2 by 3 square root of 2ar. Then rho square is, this is 4 by 9 2ar. 2ar square root will get cancelled. Rho square by r is equal to 8a by 9 will remain the constant. Hence, thank you.